Hey songwriters and lyric writers out there, this is Joe Normal with another tip on how to write better songs. In one of my previous episodes, we talked about using a thesaurus to help you replace ordinary words with different alternatives. And today I'd like to talk about rhymes and how important your rhymes are and how not to use ordinary rhymes as well. Sometimes you can't think of something off the top of your head, so you need another word. That's when you want to use a rhyming dictionary. I used to have the really thick Webster's dictionary, and at the back they had a rhyming dictionary. But these days I just grab my cell phone, I go to rhymezone.com. If I don't have my cell phone, because I'm kind of a pen and paper guy, I'm sort of old school, what I do is on all my notebooks, at the back of it, I write the alphabet. So if I'm looking for, let's say I have the word car and I want to rhyme car, I could just go through my alphabet, R, bar, car, just dar, whatever it is. I just go through the alphabet until I find a word that maybe speaks to me. If I don't have one, then I work harder and I go to the rhyme zone or the rhyming dictionary. But this is a good tool to write if you're a paper and pen kind of person like I am. Write that on the back or on the inside cover of your book. It's good to have it handy where you can see it quick and just blast through those rhymes, And if you get the right one, you'll know, because it'll just say, oh yeah, that's a good word, And that's kind of a bad example, but that's how it works. But that's what I do. I use either a rhyme dictionary, I can go to rhymezone.com right on my cell phone while I'm working on the song. But I always have that written on the back or inside cover of my notebooks when I'm writing. Here's a few of my notebooks from over the years, filled to the brim with songs, guys. So if you're a real writer, you're going to want to fill up your notebooks and you're going to want to keep them all in the same place. So remember, rhyming dictionary, rhymezone.com. You can also have a thesaurus in a book form, or you go to thesaurus.com. Both are awesome to help you improve your songwriting. Hey, I'm Joe Normal. If you like this video, please visit my website and pick up some merchandise. It's joenormalusa.com. Just see the banner at the top and it'll send you to my apparel page, or order merch directly from my website. I appreciate your support at this time, and thank you for supporting independent rock and roll.